Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download Bookmap on PC. And if you want to do this, first of all, you need to create yourselves an account. And I created a video how you can create an account. So check out that video if you don't have any idea how to do that. And then after that, you can click right here on your account to go right here to the page where you can download Bookmap. So now he sent us right here to this dashboard or portal on Bookmap. So right now, if we search right here on this page, you see here get started. And what we're going to do is we need to download right here Bookmap. So what we're going to do is click here on Windows, Production, and then we select right here download. And then he's starting the download right here. So now we click right here on Bookmap install, click on yes, and now he will start the setup. So we do next, install, and now he's installing right here the Bookmap setup. There we are. Now we click right here on finish, and now he is opening Bookmap on our PC. And then right now we select right here on login with browser, and then that is not possible right now. If you can see right here, I don't know why, but yeah, I think we need to first verify our network. But if you go back and go right here to this, we can select right here enter credentials, and then we fill in right here our email that we just used when we created ourselves an account, and right here our password, and then we do login. And then right now he is logging into Bookmap with the account that we just created. And then we need to use right here the license key to fill that in right here. So we do Ctrl+V and then we do activate. And then right now he's telling us, thank you, your product key is approved, Bookmap is ready to use. And then we do OK. And then right now he's telling, do you want to apply the default Bookmap configuration? Yes, we want that. And now he's downloading everything. And if you couldn't find the place where you need to fill in that activation key, you need to log in and then tell them I can log in. So if you did that, now we are here in Bookmap, DXFeed, try again. Do not connect, cancel. This is fine, this is fine. And now we are in, guys. So it's quite simple. Use this activation key and fill that in if you can't log in on the Bookmap application. So first, try to log in with browser. Then after that, select login with credentials. And when that is not working, fill in right here this product key and then continue. And then you see right here that we can use it from here. So these are the 3 steps how you can download Bookmap right here from the website. Hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.